Well, for starters, I think part of the challenge that we have is that the conversation's been a little too much around Elon per se. What's he tweeting? What's he smoking? What he's saying? And what I'm trying to do is to shift the conversation a bit and say, look, let's look at other companies. Look at what Brin and Page did. Look at what Zuckerberg has done with Sandberg, and to say, look, evaluated against those companies, it's not unreasonable for Elon to be asked to share power. But one idea you had earlier, you were talking about the sorting hat. Maybe we could put the sorting hat on Elon. That might help.
Hey, Joe, with all due respect, though, you can't have it both ways. The only reason this company has the market cap it has and has had the ability to raise money over and over again at incredibly high valuations is because of the public's infatuation with Elon. So he is a positive on that side of the ledger. So then you can't say, well, why are people so focused on his erratic behavior? You can't have, right? Like, you got to kind of take what comes with the territory in this situation, don't you?
Well, it depends. I think if you're at the board, it's a difficult needle to thread. As I point out in the note, you can't simply throw the guy overboard, but it's not true. If you look at other successful companies, going all the way back to Grove and Moore and Barrett at Intel, that a founder visionary just gets to be the captain of his own ship with nobody else saying anything. So what I'm saying is that the board really does need to get better at threading this needle and do what other boards have done, which is to make him accept some operational partnership. I don't think that's unreasonable.
Is this a serious board in real life, or is this like his cousins and friends?
I'm not going to, I won't comment on that, but I will say I think that, this is less about me criticizing Elon. He's a visionary. He is what he is. I will say that it's time for this board, and I said this in the note, to kind of get their heads up, look around at other successful companies and learn from that, rather than just saying, well, Elon, it's special, so we can't do anything. There's plenty of other examples out there of visionaries who've been, asked or volunteered to share power, and that's what needs to happen here. I really think that.
So are you still at 337 on your price target and telling people to buy, despite, what seems like a really major issue you have with the company's management and its governance?
Yeah, and this is where it gets sticky, right? Because, I'm obviously being a little critical here. Look, I've test-driven the Audi. I've test-driven the I-Pace. I've test-driven the BMW i3. If there's a competitor out there to the Model 3 yet, I haven't found what it is. So I am buying the company because of that. And, boy, I'd be buying. I'll tell you what, the day that they bring in a strong operating partner for Elon is the day that I actually raise my price objective. I'll say that.